The Samsung Galaxy S26, a true masterpiece of strength and style. Today, we're testing how durable this phone really is in our scratch test. With its tough Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, the screen easily resists everyday scratches from keys, coins, and even nails. After multiple tests, the display still shines crystal clear, with no visible marks at all. The back panel feels solid and premium, keeping that glossy look intact. Even around the camera rings, the protection is amazing. No scratches, just pure shine. Samsung has clearly built this phone to last, combining design and durability like never before. If you want a phone that's not just beautiful but super tough too, the Galaxy S26 should be on top of your list. Would you trust this phone's durability? Let me know in the comments below.